So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can create a host server on Discord, by which you can chat with your friends and create other channels to interact with someone. It's a very simple process. You can do the same process on smartphone as well using the application of Discord. Either it could be on iOS or Android. Or in this video we're going to discuss how you can do that on the software PC software, or you can do the same process on web version of Discord as well. So first of all, let me open the Discord. Now when you open this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now here, to create a new server, all you have to do is on the left window you're gonna find all the servers that you have been joined in, and there's a plus mark over there, which is obviously green highlighted, which says add a server. When you click on this, now here you're gonna see the server settings. A window will pop right in front of you of creating a server. From here you can select the category of the server. Like if I select the category of create my own, when I click there, you can see more settings, more options for me and my friends. When I click there, for example, you can create any type of server you want. Now this is asking me for the server name as well as the profile picture. Once I do that and I hit create, now when I hit create, you're gonna see the server has been now created as my username that I've given to this to add the name for the server. Now this is the server. You can invite your friends over there and personalize the icons and do many more things in this server. So by this method you can easily add a server on Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.